We're speaking with some folks from ECO. Jody and Ezra are here with us this morning. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome back. You guys are good this morning?
Yes, we are.
Good. So tell us about ECO. What does ECO stand for?
Well, ECO stands for Education Conservation Outreach. We're a student-led organization at St. George's University. And we achieve environmental awareness through education and research. And that's basically what the group is about.
Right. And what are you having? What sort of events are you having in terms of education and outreach coming up?
Well, we have launched a wildlife and art and photography competition that was launched on January the 30th, sorry. And the competition ended on Friday. So we had some pieces from endemic animals in Grenada, and endemic means they're only found here. We had indigenous and some that have been extinct for a while, and artists and photographers were asked to take pictures or paint them. So
wow.
Yeah.
And have you decided who the winners are for this yet?
Tomorrow we'll have the winners.
Okay. And we actually have a few pictures that have been submitted to the competition. So we're going to look at them in a while. All right. But just describe to us, what sort of things did you get? What sort of pictures and artistic representations did you get in the competition?
Well, I'll tell you one thing. We got a lot of iguanas. I think those were the easiest to find. We got some hookbill kite, the Grenada hookbill kite, which is an endemic subspecies. We also got the Grenada firecatcher, which can be found in Grenada and in St. Vincent, that region. We got the Grenada tree boa, which is endemic snake. We also got the Grenada piping frog and the Garman ground lizard, which is the regular ground lizard that you see, the blue one, and that is actually endemic to this
really
region.
I didn't know that. Yes. And we have so many, we would think that they're all over the world, right? Okay, nice. But just describe to us, what does endemic mean? I noticed you have those words coming out. Explain to us what endemic means.
Well, a term endemic means that it's only found here. And when we say endemic, we would not find that particular animal anywhere else in the world. So we have the Grenada blind snake, which is endemic. It's found nowhere else in the world. We have the hookbill kite, again, only found here. The Grenada dove. The Grenada firecatcher is endemic to Grenada and St. Vincent. We also have the Grenada tree boa, as well as the Garman's ground lizard, which we call zagada. And those are some animals that you'd find only in Grenada.
And the black race banana quit.
What's that?
It's that very little bird that it's very tiny. It has like 2 red dots on the nose.
You generally see it
around flowers.
Hookbill kite?
The hookbill kite is the one that most people confuse with the chicken hawk.
Oh, okay, so it's a bird.
Yes, a bird.
Okay. I like how y'all assume that I know what animal it is, you know? Come on, Chrissy,
You should know.
Hookbill kite.
It's a kite.
Okay, good. And what can we do as Grenadians to make sure that these species remain here, given that it's only found here? What can we do as, regular citizens?
Well, I would say a lot of them are threatened sometimes to the destruction of their habitat. So then I think we have to be very careful where we decide to put housing and sometimes construction, for example. Because we have the Mount Hadman area and we're looking into doing development there. So even when that is being considered, we have to do it in such a way that you don't affect the population of doves that are there. I would say habitat fragmentation is one of the biggest problems, and some of our game species like the Mona monkey and the armadillo, etc.
The iguana also.
The iguana also. One of their biggest threats sometimes is overhunting. So I would say that we need people to be very kind of moderate sometimes when they hunt and avoid taking the babies, because some people do that. But a lot of work still needs to be done as to how they're being affected, which there's a lot of research to be done yet still.
And we have some of the pictures so we can see exactly which species we're talking about. So let's see the first picture. This is which animal?
That's the hookbill kite. That's a juvenile hookbill kite, actually.
Okay, nice. That's a lovely picture.
Yes.
And of course, this picture is by Andrea
Pilcher, yes.
Okay, nice.
University.
Wow, on a cactus there. Ooh.
That's green iguana. Yeah, and that one's one by Andrew Richards.
That is a fantastic. Look at that color. It's so rich. Lovely.
That's the Grenada tree boa. That's just one phase. Usually you'd see it in different colors also. You might get it in black with little yellow or red, different phase, different skin.
Nice, and that's by Arthur.
Yeah. This one was actually taken in our waters also. It's hawksbill sea turtle. Yeah.
And that's by Brenda Kirkby.
And that's a garment ground lizard, and that's a juvenile.
Oh, okay.
That's where you'd see it in a sort of yellow.
When it has the yellow, yeah, when it's younger, you'll get it in that color.
And then as it grows, it changes color?
It kind of gets that blue in the bottom, you know.
And that's by Terrell Moore. Okay, nice. I'm liking that so many persons are taking part in this.
And this is the
Grenada piping frog. And it's only found in Grenada. To find it, you'll have to go up to Granatang areas. There's an invasive frog that's in competition with it, so you won't see down here.
It's very difficult to
It's very difficult
tell
to
the
see them.
difference.
Yeah.
This
But
one
there's
has
an orange on the back is one easy way to tell it's the Grenada piping frog.
And this is by, should I try?
Zymina.
Zymina.
Okay, nice.
Ferrara.
And that looks like a young frog there. It looks like a baby frog, is it?
Well, they're generally small.
Oh, okay.
They're probably
Not
about this big.
Yeah,
They're
not-
very small frogs.
Oh, okay,
Same size with the ones you'd see in your
A
backyard.
baby frog is probably like my nail.
Are you
It's
serious?
like that tiny, yeah.
Okay, nice. So you guys get to look at a lot of different species all the time.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Now, I noticed you're having a gala coming up on Saturday. Tell us about that event.
Well, the gala was basically a follow-up from the art and photography competition. We're trying to get members of the corporate community and probably government and so to come out. Also, anybody who wants to come to the gala to raise awareness. We're going to display the pictures. We're going to have a silent auction of the hard copies that are printed. We're going to have some guest speakers and an entertainment, an entertainment for evening. So we sent you a flyer for the gala, right?
Right, so if we
Yes,
can have
so-
that flyer now so we can see a little bit more as to, what exactly this is about. So would you be providing any information during this gala?
Yes, within the program itself, we're going to have 4 guest speakers. The first will talk about the endemic animals in Grenada, so give us a bit of an introduction to them. The other 2 speakers would speak about the threats to our marine ecosystems and how we can conserve them, as well as terrestrial. And we have another speaker who's going to make it from the Grenada Board of Tourism. She's going to be making a link between conservation of our wildlife and ecotourism. And that's basically in summary what our speakers will be talking about. So just giving people a little bit of heads up or information as the wildlife we have here, how we can conserve them and how we can bridge the gap between ecotourism.
Fantastic. And tell us about the date, the time.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's Saturday. It's Saturday. The exhibition starts at 6 and the gala and program will start at 7. Yes, so...
Where is it going to be?
It's going to be at SGU
Caribbean
House in the Caribbean Courtyard area so far, yeah.
Okay, and how much is it?
Well, the general price is 100 and we have a special for couples, 150. We also looking at a price for students because some students have been querying. So if they want, they can contact us and we can,
Get a student discount.
yeah,
Okay,
get a
nice.
student discount.
And I'm seeing that the dress code is formal, so this is quite a fancy event.
Yes.
Nice, nice. That is lovely to know that students are putting on such an event where you can learn something as well as have entertainment.
Yeah.
So that is fantastic. And that's Saturday the 24th of March at St. George's University. Caribbean House is the venue. And I want to say thank you so much for coming and telling us about it. It sounds like it's going to be a good event. And it seems like you're partnering with the Leo Club
Yeah,
as
we
Yes,
well.
are partnering with them.
So Leo
Okay.
Club of St. George's, we're partnering with them on that initiative.
Okay, fantastic. I want to see who wins the art competition, I see some really good ones.
We forgot to mention the sponsors. We got sponsors for the prizes for the art competition. So we have Grenlec, who's sponsoring the photography, and we have Scotiabank for first prize art, Lime for second prize art, and Communal Co-op Credit Union for third prize art. So
Fantastic,
we'll, take this time to,
And also SGA, the Student Government Association, also assisted us as well. So, yeah.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much. Just remind persons the gala is happening on Saturday. Just tell us again the information for that and how we can contact you.
You can contact us via email through ecosgu, ECOSGU @gmail.com, or you can call myself or Jody, 406-3456, that's me, Ezra, and Jody would be 533-1858.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Or you can call probably Daybreak and ask Christine for it.
Of course. So thank you so much for coming in, Ezra and Jody. It's always a pleasure having you.